So let's set the record straight right from the start. I'm not an everyday pro. I haven't had any formal education into photography or video. However, I am a graduate of YouTube University. Look, folks, I'm just a truck driver Monday through Friday that loves photography and enjoys it on my weekends at home. And I would like to be able to share with you a little of what I've learned over the past couple of years. So let's get started.
Let's go!
Hi, I'm R.D. Baker. YouTube has been great for me over the past few years. It continues to educate and teach me so much, whether it's about how to use off-camera flash, the types of lights that are available, gear reviews on new and exciting products like cameras and gimbals, how-to videos like how to build a YouTube channel. So now I want to start my own YouTube channel and share some of the many things I've learned and found to be very useful, with a particular focus on the beginner and intermediate photographers. Over time, I will share with you some of my favorite YouTube personalities, like a Manny Ortiz for outdoor portraits, First Man Photography for water collisions, or someone like Jevon Dovey for filmmaking and gear reviews, as well as many, many more, why I like them, and where you're going to be able to find them on YouTube. I want to share with you how to do macro photography and what it takes to accomplish those nice close-up photos. I want you to experience water drop collisions and the fun and the frustration that they bring to the table. Long exposure photography, getting those smooth and silky waterfall photos. Landscape photography, sunrise and sunsets, and of course some astrophotography, whether the focus is on the stars and their movement or that beautiful Milky Way. And of course, we will venture into some portrait photography. Like I said earlier, this channel's primary focus will be geared towards the beginner and the intermediate photographers, and helping them to learn and to understand different types and methods of photography. Now later on, some of you are going to say something or ask me questions about my gear, and how can I focus on beginners when I'm using some quality gear? Look, I'm a Canon user and love it. I like Canon Red Ring lenses. I love the Sigma Art series of lenses. I believe in Tamron. I use Godox speedlights and strobes. But that doesn't mean that Nikon or Sony are the wrong choice in cameras, or that Yongnuo and Alien Bees are bad lights. It simply means I'm comfortable with Canon and Godox. I encourage you to just have a camera. Pick any make and model and enjoy what photography can bring to the table in your life, and learn to have some fun. So that's it. That's my channel and my goals. I hope that you will subscribe by clicking that button and ring that bell to get those notifications of upcoming videos. Come along for the ride, and over the next few months, you will get to know and meet my wife Richie, my son Addie, along with a few very special friends from right here in small town Texas, and what they can bring to my hobby and how much fun we all have together. Don't forget to leave a comment or even suggest a topic that you would like for me to review if possible in the future. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.